Japan has 5 major wine regions: the Yamanashi Prefecture, the birthplace of Japanese wine and home to the Koshu grape. The highest concentration of wineries in Japan. It's also easy to get to from the Shinjuku Station. You're going to take the JR Express train bound for Kofu. Ensure the train stops at Enzan Station, which serves as a gateway to the Koshu Valley. I purchased a ticket from a gate agent to make sure I was in the right carriage. There will also be multiple announcements on the way. Once you're in the valley, you can visit a variety of wineries, each offering unique experiences and tastings. Check to see when they have English tour, and is framed by the majestic Japanese Alps and the iconic Mount Fuji. It's a perfect day outside of Tokyo. Whiskey Bailey A and one called Black Queen. Right off the bat, I was surprised about how light it is. You can actually see right through it. So it's like a thin-skinned grape. Lots of cherry. It's like ripe cherry, not cooked. Very light body, soft tannin. It reminds me a little bit of like a gamay, where there's that brightness to it. Okay, I really enjoyed the Koshu Surly, but I want to really try the barrel fermented because I feel like it's an aromatic grape and I feel like it's a grape that will do well on barrel. Yes, this is really good on barrel. I think the aroma comes out a little bit more. I like the grape in this style.
Keep walking past me.
Okay, sorry. Coming back from Mount Fuji and saw this beautiful winery. It's about a 9-minute drive from one of the major observation deck in Mount Fuji, and they also have villas, so you can stay in this area, which is kind of nice. And they have a bunch of stores.